In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do billing in DigitalOcean. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your billing information, how to review charges, add a payment method, and use the tools that keep your cloud costs predictable and under control. Start by signing in to your DigitalOcean control panel. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the billing section. This is your hub for everything related to charges, payments, and invoices. If you manage multiple projects, keep in mind that billing is tied to your account, so the numbers you see reflect usage across your resources within that account. Begin on the Overview tab. This page gives you a clear month-to-date summary, showing how much you've spent so far in the current billing cycle and where those charges are coming from. It's normal for these numbers to update automatically as your usage changes throughout the month. You may also see credits or promotions reflected here along with your current balance. Use this snapshot to confirm that your spend aligns with what you expect based on the droplets, storage, databases, and other services you're running. If something looks higher than expected, it's often a signal to review resource sizes or attach services like backups and snapshots. On the same page, you'll find payment methods. This is where you manage the card or payment options associated with your account. Make sure your primary payment method is current and valid so your services continue uninterrupted. If you need to add a new method, click Add Payment Method. Enter your billing details carefully, including your card information, name, and billing address. For the address, use the one your bank has on file to reduce the chance of verification issues. After saving, confirm the new method appears as active. Keeping a valid backup method on file can be helpful for teams that can't afford downtime. Next, head to the Insights section. This area helps you understand spending trends over time, which is especially useful if your usage spikes during busy periods or if you're testing new infrastructure. Choose a date range that matches what you want to analyze, like the last 7 days for a quick check or the previous month for a full cycle view. Use the charts and breakdowns to see which services contribute most to your bill. Spotting unusual jumps early gives you a chance to optimize before they turn into surprises at the end of the month. Move over to History. Here you'll find your billing history, including past invoices, payments, and any credits applied to your account. Each entry is time-stamped and itemized so you can reconcile charges with internal records or accounting. This page is useful when you need to verify a particular invoice total or match a payment to your bookkeeping. If you manage a team, this is also where you confirm that charges reflect the resources you intended to keep running. Now open the Settings section within Billing. Under Company Info, add or review your legal business name, address, and any tax identifiers required for your country or region. Accurate information ensures your invoices meet compliance requirements and makes your accounting team's job easier. Double-check spelling and formatting so the details appear correctly on future invoices. In the billing alert area, set a monthly threshold that triggers an email when your spend reaches that amount. Choose a level that gives you time to react, high enough to avoid constant notifications, but low enough to warn you before you exceed your budget. Alerts reset with each billing cycle and are a simple way to keep costs visible for you and your team. You'll also see support plan information. This shows the plan currently associated with your account and how support coverage may relate to your overall costs and response expectations. Finally, review purchase orders if your organization needs PO numbers referenced on invoices. Managing this information here ensures your invoices arrive with the details your finance team expects. That's the full tour, with the overview for quick snapshots, insights for trend analysis, history for record keeping, and settings for compliance and alerts. You have everything you need to manage billing in DigitalOcean confidently and proactively.